Hi everybody, this video is going to show you how to work with non-English characters effectively in a Google Doc. So the traditional method is that when you write a sentence like this one, voy de compras mañana, you would go in and possibly select a character, like for my N I want to have an Nye. I could insert and then go into special characters and maybe just type in an N and try to find my little Nye, look for my right character. You get the idea. By now you're probably getting kind of frustrated, especially if you're a middle school student. I've got it replaced. It works, functional, but not the ideal. So here's another solution. I'm going to my Chrome Web Store and I'm going to type in Google Input Tools, and I'm looking for this extension, Google Input Tools by Google. I'm going to add it to Chrome, add extension, and it'll take a little bit for it to download and to install. Once it does, it's going to show up in my my extensions bar up here, and it's going to look like a little keyboard with an A on it. So it says it's been added, and when I click on it, I have my extension options. This is where I select which language or languages I want to use, but before that I'm actually going to sign in because I want to make sure that I have access in other places as well. So now I'm going in and I'm looking for Spanish, and you're going to find that you have several options. I'm going to scroll down until I get to Spanish, and you can see there's a huge variety, and the one I like working with is this one with the actual letters next to it. I've experimented with French and Chinese, other languages, and this one seems to work really effectively for the way I process information. So we've selected it, we click the arrow, it shows up here. Once we've done that, I can close and I can go back to my document, and then I'm going to go back up to my extension and I'm going to turn this on. Now you'll see that I have my ES in the corner. And as I type in, it's actually kind of checking it for me, and it gives me that option. Don't forget the punctuation. So it actually gives you a little bit of an autocomplete. My biggest suggestion with this is experiment with the different tools that you have, and remember, if you're going back and forth between multiple languages, to turn it off when you're done with your assignment. And that is your Google Input Toolbar. Enjoy!